Hello everyone, welcome back. A quick video today just to show you how things are playing out in the market right now. We're talking about the Nifty again, and please do read the disclaimer in the description box. This is not investment advice, this is just for educational purposes. I have to say that. And let's look at the Nifty. This is what the play has been. I made a video this week, Monday, on when the candle was trading right there. And now you've seen 3 more days of trading. This is the third day. The market's about to close, closing lower for the day. Um, it's in a trend, right? It's in a downward trend, and it's going to continue that way. A lot of people tend to get into euphoria when they're looking at these big candles, right? Like, oh my God, there's a big recovery and so on. You tend to miss the big picture. The big picture is basically this that you're seeing here right now. This direction going down. It's still happening. Um, has it turned out to kind of this? That is something that can be answered very easily if you look at the support and resistance levels, right? This is still the pattern. We're still going to see a downtrend. What's actually happening is the market's actually testing these. There is a strong support level at 23,700 and something, um, approximately. But given the fact that these resistance and support zones are playing out so strongly, I think it's probably going to stay below that, and it's not going to continue. If you see any play at all, if the bounce is stronger from this support level, which is actually a very strong support level, still yet, because there is a very clear indication of a top formation and a downward trend, I see that that support level is going to break. Now, as the market's playing out currently, if you look at this little trend that's happening here, right, it's actually a bouncer test just around these levels, 24,461 and 23,985. These are the levels that I've always spoken about. We've had this since July. It comes from this little box here. July is predicted that this level is going to be important. We have this level here, September, that's predicted this level is going to be important going forward in the long term as a downtrend. Breaking this has clearly indicated that there's a long-term downtrend happening right now. This could be a long to medium. It might be a good correction and then an opportunity to buy again, like the Nifty has done many more times before this, right? This is nothing new. And this one came in at the end of September, 1st of October, including. And this was a short-term downtrend that kind of got confirmed once the long-term downtrend support and resistance levels broke. So that's where the Nifty is right now, and that's how it's playing out. It's not going to be breaking this unless it makes a successful attempt. A successful attempt means staying above 24,461. The way to look at it is the tails. If you look at the tails and the breaches, you'll be able to see and notice how strong the Nifty is or how weak it is. Currently, given the fact that we've had this, the Nifty is weaker than stronger. We've had these tails that haven't been very successful. So again, it indicates weakness. But again, if the majority of them are going to be pullbacks versus dips, and if the dips are going to not breach 23,985, that might actually indicate a stronger Nifty than usual. But again, that is just a short-term support and resistance level. 24,771 and 25,338 are going to offer significant resistance. The Nifty is going to find it extremely difficult to break through them. I don't think it'll even approach them. It might approach 24,771 very, very briefly if the Nifty is showing any strength in these pullbacks. This is the pullback zone that I would be very effectively watching. 23,700 is going to be a pullback zone that's going to be very high risk. And if that's broken, you'll definitely see the Nifty indicating a long-term sideways zone or a drastic dip going forward. Um, Now we can talk about global indications and etc. and Y and Z, but then none of that's going to matter. What's going to matter is the price performance. The price performance indicates that it is in a downtrend. It's going to continue in a downtrend until it shows us that it has changed its mind. So this is not a place in the Nifty to get into it in terms of investments or buying or trading in the towards the uptrend. It is trading towards the downtrend, booking your profits, waiting for a better place to get into the market. If you're investing in the market right now, it's at about a 10% discount from the top. So it is still a good buy. It is a buy on dips, but the dip is going to be larger. So it's better to wait as a matter of fact, because the dip has just barely started. So you might see another 10 to 20% of the Nifty heading towards 23,000, 22,000 levels. I'll give you the exact levels as they're forming For now, it is for us to watch and wait and see what the Nifty tells us, and the market tells us something every single day. Week on week, we get new levels as well. Pardon me, and we can actually use those effectively to predict how the market's going, like you're seeing right in front of your eyes here. We've used these levels from July constantly to predict how the market's going. So wish you all the best with your trading and investment. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and let me know if you'd like to see something else, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.